This is Vanless hanging neck fan. You can keep this in neck area and get more cooler air. So let's try to find out what are the part it has inside. So this is the box. Let's open it. So inside it you will get this device, and along this you will get one charging cable. This device feels heavy, and quality is not that much great, but it is kind of okay. So here they have given vents which will blow the air near your neck area, and they have given a fan here both the ends. So let's try to open it and find out what are the part it has inside. If you look closely, you will find four fasteners mounted here. We will try to open it. So let's try to remove the top cover. So inside this you will find two wires which is connecting this fan. These are made up of plastic material. And in the top cover you will find some slots is given to mount the snaps, and also two mounting bars for mounting the two fasteners. Now let's see the other side, what else we will get. On the right hand side we have more things. As usual we have plastic fan, sorry this uh, fan, and these blades are made up of plastics. Along this you will get one battery, and there is a charging slot given for charging this battery. And if you will see this wire is going to the other end and connecting the fans, and the device is pretty much simple. This is the terminals of the battery